the chariot of Yingshu and the legacy of Sintashta, a superweapon that changed the landscape of ancient warfare. Around 1200 BC, a large number of highly developed chariots were excavated at the Yingshu site, which was the capital of the Shang dynasty in China. The surprising thing is that the structure and design of the spokes of these chariots are almost identical to the chariots invented around 2000 BC in the Sintashta culture near the Ural Mountains. This means that the tram was not independently invented gradually in China, but rather that a fully developed form of advanced weapon systems was imported in package form through the steppes. The nomads of the steppes transmitted this ancient world's tank not only to the Hittites and Egyptians in the Middle East, but also to the Eastern Chinese civilization. The background behind the Shang dynasty's ability to suppress surrounding tribes and establish a strong royal power was this overwhelming weapon system that came from the steppes. This serves as decisive evidence that the formation process of ancient states in East Asia is by no means unrelated to the steppes. 4.2. The history of migration etched in the genetic map. Ancient DNA analysis clearly shows that these cultural and technological exchanges were accompanied by actual movements of people. The paternal gene haplogroups R1a and R1b, which spread through the Eurasian steppe, not only reshaped the genetic makeup of Europeans, but also moved eastward, reaching Central Asia and the Tarim Basin, including mummies from the Xiaohe cemetery. Conversely, haplogroups N and Q, originating from East Asia, also spread westward and northward through the steppe. The steppe was a vast blood vessel, where genes mixed and flowed. 4.3. Scythian animal style, the first universal art of Eurasia. By the first millennium BC, a unique artistic trend known as Scythian Siberian animal style dominated Eurasia, reaching from the Black Sea coast to the Mongolian steppes and the Ordos region in northern China. The dynamic forms of curled-up deer and ferocious beasts, tigers, griffins, show that a shared aesthetic sense and worldview extended over thousands of kilometers. This suggests that cultural globalization was already completed before the Silk Road. Part 5. Beyond the fog of ideology. Historiography that transcends empires and nations. The vast archaeological and genetic evidence examined so far clearly shows that the prehistoric era of the Korean Peninsula has developed in close interaction with the Eurasian continent. But why have we not seen this obvious connection for so long? It was due to two powerful lenses created by modern historiography: imperialism and nationalism.